Having trouble with your strategy? Then map it. When attempting to implement the new business strategies, senior executives give employees only limited descriptions of what they should do and why those tasks are important. Without clearer and more detailed information, it's no wonder that many companies have failed in executing their strategies. Organizations need tools for communicating both their strategy and the processes and systems that will help them implement that strategy. Strategy maps provide assistance in this area. They give employees a clear line of sight into how their jobs are linked to the overall objectives of the organization, enabling them to work in a coordinated, collaborative fashion towards the company's desired goals. Strategy maps show how an organization will convert its initiatives and resources, including intangible assets such as corporate culture and employee knowledge, into tangible outcomes. Strategy maps show how an organization plans to convert its various assets into desired outcomes. I feel that the relevancy of this article is quite current and speaks true to what's happening in today's society. This week's lesson highlighted IT governance and management. A part of governance and management of IT is ensuring that the organization has an IT strategy. This is the responsibility of senior management. With the knowledge gained from this article, a senior manager can utilize the strategy map to give clear direction and support to their employees.